night, me they alive at the park. Earlier, things get heated, real heated. But only one man decide for just stand still. Boss, how long now this a gone?
10 minutes now. We stop count after 5.
10 minutes? Have you been standing there for the whole time?
We're comfortable.
Yo, may I talk to you, Don't act like you don't hear me.
It would be sin if me bottle.
People them a say you're too calm for the situation. What really start the argument?
Him say me a stand too close to the park. Meanwhile, whole park wide.
Me say bare grass, bare walkway, bare space.
Exactly.
You think you're smart? Move and talk to me proper.
Me attack. Me just standing.
No lie. The fact say you no move and make it worse.
Me not responsible for how people feel.
Some man them a call this aura behavior. You know what I mean?
Me not know about aura. Me just there.
The man just stand still and the place tense up. That crazy.
Boss, you not even lean or fidget. You not feel threatened.
If me feel threatened, me woulda move.
So you are disrespect me now?
Nah, me just standing.
Last question. If him start shout louder, what you go do?
Probably turn me head. Sun bright.
Respect.
Me done talk.
And just like that, argument done.
Me never move yet.
You hear it first. Sometimes the loudest man lose to the calmest one. Alright, we dey at the park because little argument just go on the bench they saw. Enough people say you stay real calm. What really happen?
Well, a little talk it did. Little talk we belong pan bench, up on stage.
People around you say the next man start raising voice first.
True, at a volume them usually use when them lose them dog.
That never trouble you?
No, sir, but it frighten the pigeon.
Some people online say when you calm so, passive-aggressive thing. Why you say to that?
No, man, I just how me save energy while the next person spend them own emotion.
One time him stand up and you still sit down.
Standing up wouldn't make me argument better. Plus, the bench comfortable bad.
You feel raising your voice help you win argument?
If that did true, fire alarm would have, professor.
While him a show, what did I run through your mind?
Mostly say, this a park, motivational shouting, or depend the rules.
If the person I watch this know, what you would I tell them?
Me hear you the first time. The volume never add no new meaning.
Last question. Any advice for people who argue in public?
The moment strangers start watch, already lose.
There you have it. Calm, clear, still sit down.
Boss, all I know, me have to ask you something before you vanish. What exactly you win just now?
Win? What is pussy talking about? The man just disrespectful.
Disrespectful how? Because them no shout with you?
Yeah, man. Me I raise my voice, me I bring energy, and him just there like him on airplane mode.
So basically, you fight alone.
Nah, man. Yeah.
People they must say you lose the argument before you even started.
Them people don't know nothing. Hey, golly, suck your mother bubble clock.
About that, you sweat, your voice gone, and the man not even blink.
Them man, they are idiot.
Me believe you. You look like you need water, prayer, and a nap. Yeah, no disrespect.
Me like that sounds, golly.
Me not like how you start argument over public bench either. But here we are.
So what you say?
Me I say, next time you feel for show, check if the person even here. Because you just give the whole park a free comedy show.
Shut your bubble clock now.
If you see him again, what you gonna do?
Walk past him.
Smartest thing you say all day.